My name is Sanjeet Singh, and I am currently working as professor in Indian Institute of Management, Lucknow, for last time in 4 years. Prior to that, I have almost served almost for 14 years in IIM Calcutta, and I have been scientist in DRDO for 4 years. And if you talk about my current area of research, I am working on a few contemporary areas in terms of optimization, productivity and performance evaluation, and energy and sustainability issues. And apart from these areas, I also work in mathematical modeling and managerial problems for different areas, for example finance and other areas. So this is about my briefly about my research, and as part of other my portfolios, I am also engaged in different activities in terms of teaching in different training programs and doing the other company programs for corporates.